this evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the long-awaited battle for Del Mar Heights Road. The Torrey Pines Falcons will be taking on the Cathedral Catholic Dons. Let's meet their starting lineups. Up first for the Falcons, we have number 1, J.C. Mack. Number 3, Marina Boslu. Number 5, Emery Gonzalez. Number 6, Stella Del Vito. Number 7, Lila Green. Number 11, Finley Christoviak. And number 12, Samantha Christoviak. And let's meet the Dons! Number 1, Ryan Evans. Number 3, Sophia Johnson. Number 5, Madison McCarthy.